everyone. My name is Angie Maxwell. I'm a doctor of physical therapy with Madrona Physical Therapy, and this is my friend Kaylee. And thanks for rejoining us on our pregnancy series, How You Move Matters. We're going to go through a few tips in the kitchen that I think might be helpful, just to ease the low back pain and avoid any twisting through the pelvis. So the first thing is kind of standing at the sink doing dishes. This becomes harder and harder as the belly gets bigger. You get further and further away from the sink. And so we just want to give you a strategy to help with that. So what I'm going to have you do, Kaylee, is just open the bottom cabinet there and go ahead and put, just one leg up in there. And what this does is it helps you put some of that weight on your back leg, and you can wash dishes leaning a little bit forward, but using your glute to kind of help you move and come back instead of your low back muscles. So this is a nice way to kind of ease the low back and also not overwork these back muscles. Now, if you're doing dishes, right, and you're putting things over toward the dishwasher, again, I want you to avoid rotating. So if you're doing your dishes here, your foot is up, you want to just kind of reach over, put that dish there, rinse, put that dish there, instead of doing any sort of twisting. So just think about keeping, very symmetrical through your hips and your shoulders. Now, once you've got your dishes over here, put a few more over here, and we want to load the dishwasher. So one thing we recommend is, again, not twisting. You want to think about doing a little bit more of a pivot from the sink over to the dishwasher. So doing a little bit of a squat or pivot if you're loading that top tray. And then if we're loading bottom tray, she's gonna do a little squat down instead of rotating through her trunk. Good. And so again, it's just the idea of making sure that your trunk and your pelvis stay in alignment, that you're using a nice squat form to help you put things in and out of the dishwasher. So same thing with unloading. You want to grab your dishes in a squat, come back up. Don't twist as you turn, but pivot through your feet, turn, come over to the cabinet, and put things in the cabinet. So just avoiding, any extra stress to the pelvis. And if we think about the pregnancy, anytime we bend over, we're really activating these low back muscles, and that's putting a lot of strain on them. So we want to really use more of a hip hinge. We're bending here, getting our big butt muscles to engage and using those to kind of lift the belly and lift us back up. So hopefully that's a good tip for you with washing dishes and unloading the dishwasher.